Hi! As you can see, I'm missing a tooth, so I can't work, so I have an incredible amount of free time. And what does a 20-something red-blooded male do with all his free time? Crafts! We're gonna make a bath mat out of corks. Mainly because I like a drink. But mainly because I need a bath mat. That took me so bloody long that I now have a tooth again. The amount it fucking cost, it should be made out of gold. But anyway, ta-da! Completed cork board. I've sprayed it with a rubber sealant so that it is waterproof because it's going in the bathroom. So, I'm a thinker. I'm just going to show you different angles. Show you some different angles. It looks cool, eh? I think so. First attempt. I'm pretty fucking pleased with it. There's a submarine outside. That's fucking mental. Hi!